Hi viewers, in this video we will see about signals and system. First of all, we should know what is signal. Signal is nothing but it carries some information. It is described as a function of one or more independent variables. Basically, it is a physical quantity. It varies with some independent or dependent variables. The signals may be one-dimensional or multidimensional signals. These kind of signal can be classified into 5 types. First one is a continuous time and discrete time signal. Another one is a periodic and non-periodic signal. Third one is a causal and non-causal signal. Fourth one is a deterministic and random signal. And fifth one is a even and odd signal. First we could see what is continuous time signal. Continuous time signal is nothing but the signal is varying with respect to time continuously without any interruption. That is called as a continuous time signal. Continuous time signals take an real or complex values as a function of an independent variable that ranges over the real numbers and are denoted as x of t. Next one is a discrete time signal. Discrete time signals take on real or complex values as a function of an independent variable that ranges over the integer and are denoted as x of n. Discrete time signal is varying with respect to time, some external disturbance, some time interval. We have some time interval between two input signals. Next one is a periodic and non-periodic signal. Periodic signals have the property that x of t plus t is equal to x of t for all kind of t values. The smallest value of capital T that satisfies the definition is called a period. This is a signal flow graph for periodic signal and non-periodic signal. Next one is a causal and non-causal signal. The condition of causal signal is the t is less than 0 and non-causal signal means the t is greater than 0. Whenever we have any t values is less than 0, that kind of signal is called as a causal signal. If it is suppose the t values is greater than 0 means we just call it as that kind of signal is a non-causal signal. Next one is a right and left sided signal. A right-sided signal is 0 for t is less than t and a left-sided signal is 0 for t greater than t, where t can be positive or negative. Next one is a deterministic and random signal. Deterministic signal means these signals is predictive values with respect to time. Non-deterministic signal means that is also called as a random signal. We never predict that kind of signal. We have received the signal randomly. There is no uncertainty with respect to its value at any time. These signals can be expressed mathematically. For example, x of t is equal to sine 3t is deterministic signal. This is an example of deterministic signal. Next one is a random signal. Behavior of these signal is random, that is non-predictable values. It cannot be varying with respect to time. There is an uncertainty with respect to its value at any time. These signal cannot be expressed mathematically. For example, thermal noise generated is non-deterministic signal. This is a diagram of non-deterministic signal. Next one is a even and odd signal. Even signal means whenever we have to give any input values with multiple with minus or negative values means we get the same signal, that is positive value signal. For example, xe of t is equal to xe of minus t and x naught of t, that is output of the signal is minus of x naught of minus t. Any signal is a sum of unique odd and even signal. For example, x of t is equal to xe of t plus x naught of t and x of minus t is equal to xe of t minus x naught of t. Xe of t is equal to 0.5 into x of t plus x of minus t and x naught of t is equal to 0.5 into x of t minus x of minus t. These are some examples of even and odd signal.